Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name in Zoom application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to change your name in Zoom, firstly open your Zoom application. Click on the More option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on your name. You can see that there is a display name option on the profile. Click on it. You can edit your name as well as your display name. Edit and change your name and then tap on Save. This is how you can change your name in your Zoom application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.